What's up, guys? SmartHelping.com here. Don't forget to like, subscribe the video. We have a customer life model and retention model that's super dynamic and very cool. I just finished a live stream on it, which, if you remember, you can watch the whole thing being built from scratch. But at the base level, it's very simple. If you have different patterns in your business for how much a customer is going to spend per month based on how long they've been there, as well as what percentage of a given monthly cohort of acquired customers is going to remain over time, and maybe it's faster, it goes down quicker at the beginning, and then the rate of loss slows down, or vice versa, or whatever, or follows some bell curve. Doesn't matter what it is. This model will allow you to account for that. And normally, in a regular model, you usually don't see this. This is very easy to integrate into any model that you have. All you need to do is have some amount of customers that are acquired per month, and I did this over 60 months. So you enter that manually based on, you might have another model that populates that, but that's the number you need to get to. And then from there, you just have two other inputs. The first is monthly retention rate of a customer over time, or of a cohort over time, and the average spend of a customer over the life of that customer. So what this means is if you have 100 people joining in month one, month two, 95 are left. Month three, 80 are left. Month four, 65 are left. Month five, 60, 55. And then what this allows you to do is give a more accurate forecast if you know the things that drive your customer activity are not really straight line compatible, and they vary, and they kind of change, like the degree of which you lose customers might be faster at the beginning, faster at the end, faster in the middle, and then slow down at the end. Same with spend. Like, a customer might spend more with you as they first hear about you, and then spend less and less, and then kind of a static amount, or maybe they spend a little bit and then more and more and more, or more and more and then less, and it kind of follows a hump curve like that. Whatever the case is, this is dynamic enough to account for anything. Now, the way I've done this is complex. We've got a lot of matrices here with logic, but it's easy to follow if you just see the formulas. Nothing too advanced is done. There's no hidden tabs. It's just, this is all the logic that's going on. We're looking up this data here to produce this data here, which is the amount of customers remaining based on those schedules and the amount of revenue those customers give. And I did a couple charts here to show the resulting monthly revenue, cumulative customer count, the spend per customer over the life. You can see the curve there, and the monthly retention rate. Now, if you have a curve, you can easily go in here and plug in 1 through n to your curve. If you have a thing that defines based on how long they've been there what these values are, you can just plug that into your curve formula and populate it here, and it might vary. The reason why this is so nice is because usually you're just going to have averages for any financial model, and you're not going to get a variation in this over time because it's just too hard to put into a model. But here's a simple way. Here's the logic. You can do it. This will do it for whatever model you're doing. This is really good for SaaS models. It could be really good for um, retail models, where boutique places where they have, customers might come and spend a certain amount. Um, Over time, they might have different, it depends on your customer data, it depends on what you're selling. And if you can't really fit it into some average, then you need something better. And this is that. Uh, so hopefully, a lot of people can find use for this. I'm going to sell it at a one-time fee of $45. After purchase, it will be sent to your email. And I hope to see you on the next stream. I do live modeling every Monday at 5 p.m. EST. I also kind of do it randomly throughout the week. So just if you're subscribed and have the notification on, you'll see that pop up. Uh, let's see, anything else? I think that's it. I'll see you on the next one.